everybody, it's Jason. We're on the SEMA Show for 2023 with our friend Greg from Celette. We're here to talk about the new Eagle, which is now available on collisionhub.com. Tell us a little bit about the Eagle and what are the benefits to a shop?
Well, the Eagle's an electronic measuring system. It uses a laser, and the benefit of the shop is you can measure most any car in about 10 minutes. You just do a little prep work, you take off maybe some shields to get access to some points, and you can measure the car and get a pre-damage report and decide whether you need to move the car on to another part of the shop for repair, depending on what damage you may or may not find.
The vehicle comes in, we get it up in the air, we make some quick measurements, we have a good understanding of where the damage is located, and kind of start building a repair plan of what we need to do next.
That's correct.
Awesome. For more information, visit collisionhub.com.